Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on the Countdown widget by Move Addons. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add a countdown section on your web page. Countdown displays the deadline of a promotional offer or subscription or any registration. It's a very effective way to push consumer psychology and increase conversion rates. Here's how you do it. First, let's search the widget. Now, drag it to this section. Then click on this drop-down menu. You'll see 3 unique styles are given. If you check this time circle, it brings an amazing look. You can change the dates from here. Now, click on additional options. You can choose what things you like to show your visitors. Okay, now some more options are here in the time circle options. You can customize the circle color, the thickness, and also the sharpness. And from the style setting, you can make necessary changes from these available options. It's easy, right? So install Move Addon now and make your web page a piece of cake. If you have any suggestions or anything to know, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.